Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, welcome to We Learn series of Oxford for nursery class. Dear students, as you know that we had been recording videos for primary section, but we have started this initiation to record videos of preschool as well. After today, you will have a video every day at home. You will watch that and will do your homework accordingly. Dear students, let's start this book. We are going to start it from page number 2. So on page 2, we have the letter A. A is the first letter of alphabet, and whenever you start reading alphabets, talking about alphabets, the first letter you're gonna go through is the letter A. And along with that, you have to understand that A can be written in two ways: the uppercase letter and the lowercase letter. We call it small letter or capital letters. Here the first letter is a capital letter and the second one is a small letter. Capital is another scenario. It is written in above 3 lines, and small letter has 3 different variations. Can be written in gross lines and root lines and as well in sky lines. We will discuss about this later. Dear students, the first thing we have to understand about this is that which words are starting with letter A. For example, if I tell you alligator, the word alligator starts with letter A. Ajmal, the name Ajmal starts with letter A. Along with that, ant, the ant starts with letter A. Arrow, ambulance, and different more things. Dear students, you have to think about different things and find out 10 things that starts with letter A. Remember that you have different things around you that starts with letter A. That can be names, that can be nouns, that can be anything that is starting with letter A. Okay, the second activity on the same page is that we have an apple. Like color the apple and then draw your own apple. We say color the apple. The first activity is color the apple. We have to color this apple. After that, we have to draw the same apple in the next box. Remember that when you are coloring, you have to color horizontally. No, you have to color vertically. It means that color something. So for example, I'm giving the apple red color. Let me choose. For example, I'm giving this apple the color. Whenever you color, you have to color like this, up and down, up and down. And one thing I made mistake was that I went out of the border line of the apple. You shouldn't cross that line. It means that do whatever you do in between these lines. It means that if you give a color, it shouldn't extend the final outline of the drawing, whichever that is. So for that reason, you have to color up and down, and then you have to give appropriate color. For example, if you have an apple and you are going to give purple color to the apple, that is not natural. Whatever you do should be natural. It means that think about that particular item that you are going to color, and then you will realize that which color it actually has and give that particular color. So this is the thing. After that, here is in this point you are going to draw an apple. To draw an apple, it is very easy. You can do it like that. Come all the way down. It is an apple. Not that clear, but you have to practice yourself. It means that you can make and you can draw a good apple. And after that, you can give good color to that. So your drawing journey starts from here. You have to draw things that are easy. With passage of time, you will be able to go to, or you will be able to draw things that are more complicated. So do your homework. Do share your homework with us in your WhatsApp group. And if you can physically come to school, that would be even better. Thank you so much.